A very good evening to you. This is your Financial Week. I'm Dwayne Berwick. Finance Minister Audley Shaw is again appealing to financial institutions to reduce interest rates. He says the rates are headed in the right direction, but more reductions can be made. The Finance Minister made reference to a special government fund financed by the World Bank. Money from this fund was being loaned to the Development Bank and approved financial institutions with significant markups.
I have abandoned that one. I have now ordered that our interest rate must not exceed 2%. I have instructed the Development Bank of Jamaica that their interest rate must not exceed 1%. And I'm saying to our approved lending institutions, yours must not exceed 6%. Take a 3% spread, live with that, and let us give business a chance to grow on single-digit interest rates.
3 major international investors have reportedly expressed interest in the development of the Vernon Field airfield in Clarendon into an aerotropolis.
We have 3 major investors, 2 from China, 1 from Europe. And they want to plow between 2 and 3 billion United States dollars into the Vernon Field project.
Mr. Shaw was addressing the launch of new investment company Cygnus Capital on Wednesday. And Aerotropolis is an urban development comprising aviation-intensive businesses and related enterprises that usually extends up to 25 kilometers outward from major airports. Transport Minister Mike Henry indicated earlier this year that there were local commitments for investment in the project. Company News Now and Caribbean Cream, which manufactures the Creamy brand of ice cream, is reporting reduced profit for the first quarter ending May 31. Net profit was down 51% to $35 million. Revenues, however, rose 1% to $319 million. Caribbean Cream says sales were impacted by bad weather in the quarter. Meanwhile, profits for the third quarter at AMG Packaging and Paper were down 8% at $14.3 million. Revenues, however, were up 10% at $174.5 million. At the close of trading today, it was costing an average $128.38 for the American currency. $101.43 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, while the pound sterling is trading at $166.40. The euro sells for $144.65. Oil prices rose for a 5th straight day today as the US dollar weakened and investors focused on signs of an easing supply overhang. US crude futures settled up 46 cents or 1% to $46.54 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. And in today's trading session, the JC index declined by 1,302 points to close at 233,606 points. The junior market index declined by 31 points. That closed at 3,008. The winners were led by Honeybun, Radio Jamaica, Blue Power, Lasco Manufacturing, and Jamaican Teas. Losers included Siboney, ISP Finance Services, Caribbean Producers, Seprod, and Panjam Investments. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Dwayne Berwick. Good evening.